Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install and use the Straico Community Node in your self-hosted n8n instance. First, log in to your n8n dashboard. Go to Settings, then click on Community Nodes. Next, press Install and enter n8n Nodes, Straico Official in the search bar. Confirm that you understand the risks, and then click Install again. Great! The Straico node is now installed. To use it, open a workflow. On the canvas, search for Straico Official and add the node. Let's try a basic operation. Select Create a Completion. Now, under Credential to connect with, click Create New Credential. Enter your API key from your Straico user preferences. This links n8n to your Straico account. Choose a model to process your prompt, then type your message in the message field. Use the Test Step button to run the node and see the results. That's it! You can connect the output to any other n8n node. Try using different operations and models to explore what Straico can do.